Hi, good evening to one and all. Okay, we are discussing about the Python lab experiments. Right? In yesterday class, we are completing the second experiment of the fifth unit. Right? Today, I am discussing about I am implementing the logic of third experiment of the fifth unit. Right? That experiment name equal to Python program. Okay, write a Python program to demonstrate use of n-dimensional shape, size, d type. That means type of the dimensional array. That means array type. Okay, you can understand just dimension of the array, next shape of the array, size of the array, d type of the array. That means data type of the array. Okay, so now I am opening my working environment here, unit 5. Just opening the VS Code. Already you know how to convert into directly open in the our folder, our address through CMD, right? Here I am creating that one file experiment3.py, exp3.py, right? Now just write a Python program to demonstrate use of n-dimensional shape, size, data type, correct? Before I am using the arrays, just importing the NumPy as NP, right? As NP. Now I am creating the two-dimensional array. Okay, already you know how to create the one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array in previous video. Just creating array. Array of is the method. Just two-dimensional array we will call the two square brackets. Okay, 10 comma 20 comma 30. Next one is comma again square brackets 40 comma 50 comma 60. That's it. Okay, now I am just calling print function print of array, right? Print of array, next column slash n. You can calling the next line. Okay, you can like output is displaying the next line, just out of the column just array. That's it. Now I am creating the Python file, experiment 3.py. Okay, array equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 40 comma 6 50 comma 60. This is the to display the type of the array. Okay, to display the type of the array. Next one is the number of dimensions. Okay, number of dimensions. So just I am passing the arg variables here. Okay, arg variables here, number of dimensions, number of dimensions, number of dimensions. Just close here, n dimensional, right? N dimensional, remove it. Okay, argument variable name equal to arr dot ndim, ndim, ndim. When dim is the keyword in Python programming, it is to find out the how many dimensions of the array. Okay, now I am getting the how many dimensions. I think this is the two-dimensional array. I am getting the two. Yes or no? I am getting the two. Previous one is to display the array. After that, finding the which how much which one this array is, how which dimensions of the array. Two-dimensional array. Okay, two-dimensional array. After that, shape of the array. Okay, shape of the array. Just here I am passing the shape of the array. Here I am passing the just shape method. Here just to removing the n dimensional, pass the shape. Now I am running here Python file. I am getting the 2 comma 3. Okay, 2 comma 3. That means 2 columns 3 rows. 2 columns 3 rows. First one column. Okay, next one is the 2 columns. Here just first row, next to 20 comma 50, second row, third row, 2 comma 3. Shape means to display the which how many rows and how many columns are available in the array. Okay, this is the shape of the array. Here just passing, okay, here just passing dimension of the array, number of dimensions, number of dimensions. Here just passing shape of the array, right, shape of the array. Why I am creating the commenting, okay, if in case second user, otherwise second programmer is easily understanding the, okay, this print function is tell about the dimensions of the print function, next to print function is the size of the array, that means print function to display the size of the array, you can easily understanding the logic, easily understanding the program, that's why I am passing the print statements. Okay, next one is total number of elements, total number of elements, that means size of the array. Okay, here I am passing the comment total number of elements, total number of elements, that means size of the array. Print total just sorry size of the array, size of the array, that means here I am passing the size. Okay, next just removing the n dimensional, replace with size. Yes or no? Now I am running the my Python file. I am getting the size equal to 6. That means total number of elements in a array 6. Yes or no? 10, 20, 30, 3, 40, 50, 60. This is the 6 elements of a array. Okay, 6 elements of a array. Next method equal to data type. Which type of data? Okay, which type of data? Data type of elements. Just commenting into function. Here data type of elements, data type of element, that means data type, d type. Okay, just here replace the size in place of d type. Yes, sorry for disturbance. Now I am running the my Python file. Okay, this is the integer values only. Yes or no? Integer values. Now I am passing the here another dimension, that means removing the three dimensional, just 1 2 3 here, 1 comma 2 comma 3, next 4 comma 5 comma 6, next 7 comma 8 comma 9. This is the three dimensional array. Okay, this is the my previous one, just I am running this file, each and every method, okay, n dimensional, shape, size, d type, each and every one is modified. Okay, just running number of dimensions in a 3, shape of the array equal to 3, that means 3 columns, 3 rows, 3 dimensional. Next one is size of the array equal to 9. Okay, all the elements are only integer, that's why into 64-bit. Alright, this is the third experiment of the fifth unit. Okay, okay, thank you guys, thank you for supporting. Okay, bye bye, see you next class.